Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best craft kits is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark creativity and keep young minds engaged, offering a fantastic opportunity for children aged 8 to 12 to explore their artistic talents and develop fine motor skills through hands-on projects that are both fun and educational, making it an ideal choice for parents looking for enriching activities that can provide hours of entertainment and a sense of accomplishment. Number 5. FUNZBO Arts and Craft Supplies for Kids. Discover a complete creativity kit designed to inspire young artists. It's packed with essential tools and materials for countless exciting projects. This set is perfect for various ages and skill levels, fostering creativity in school or at home. It's a valuable tool for multi-age learning environments. Crafted for endless joy, this pack brings unlimited fun to kids and parents alike. It makes a great gift for any occasion for children aged 4 and up. Keep everything tidy with the included durable storage jar. All supplies are neatly organized and easily accessible for little hands. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We ensure every purchase leads to a delightful crafting experience, making happiness our hallmark. What we like. This kit is a complete creativity package, offering a vast array of supplies for endless projects. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that keeps everything organized and sparks imagination across different age groups, this is a fantastic choice for school projects or home crafting. What people say. The kit includes a variety of high-quality materials that are easy for kids to use. The instructions are clear and step-by-step, making it simple for children to follow along and create their projects. The finished products are beautiful and can be displayed or used, providing a sense of accomplishment for the child. Number 4. Sunnyglade Deluxe Art Set Wooden Art Box. Discover a complete art experience with this deluxe wooden art box. It's designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This art set comes in a sturdy, protective wooden case with a convenient drawer for storage. Everything is organized to inspire your next masterpiece. Create with confidence knowing that all the art supplies are non-toxic and safe for children. They conform to Aestd-ST 4236 standards for your peace of mind. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this set has everything you need for drawing and painting. It's perfect for showcasing your incredible talent. Inside this beautiful wooden box, you'll find crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, watercolor cakes, sketch pencils, brushes, and more. It's a comprehensive collection. This art set is ideal for travel, keeping kids entertained on planes or during visits. It's a wonderful way to encourage creativity anywhere. What we like. This is a deluxe art set housed in a beautiful wooden box, perfect for aspiring artists of all levels. If you appreciate quality materials and a well-organized, portable set for drawing and painting, this is an excellent option for both kids and adults who want a professional feel. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials that allow for multiple creative projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for kids. My child spent hours engaged with this kit, exploring different crafting techniques. Number 3. SunGemmers Suncatcher Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this dazzling DIY Suncatcher Kit. They can design beautiful, shimmering art pieces that capture the light and add a touch of magic to any room. Looking for a fun, candy-free gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's an engaging activity that kids will love to make and display. Enjoy a fun crafting experience without the mess. Our kit features easy-peel gemstone stickers, so kids can create beautiful sun catchers without any glue or fuss. It's perfect for independent play. This art kit provides a rewarding hands-on experience that helps build fine motor skills and encourages self-expression. It offers hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment for creative minds. Everything you need is included in this kit. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it comes with pre-cut shapes, colorful gemstone stickers, and hanging strings for a complete crafting adventure right out of the box. With hundreds of vibrant, peel-and-stick gems, kids can bring their unique artistic visions to life. They'll love decorating their suncatchers with dazzling colors and patterns. What we like. Create dazzling suncatchers with this mess-free, gem sticker craft kit. If you are looking for a fun, screen-free activity that helps develop fine motor skills and provides a beautiful, sparkling result, this is perfect for younger children and as a delightful gift. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials and tools, allowing for multiple creative projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished products are beautiful and can be displayed or gifted. Number 2. Aestd-ST 50 Colors Polymer Clay Kit. Discover a world of color with this extensive polymer clay kit. It offers 50 brilliant shades, perfect for any artistic endeavor. Enjoy a smooth crafting experience. The clay is designed to be easy to shape, stays non-sticky, and maintains its vibrant color. This comprehensive set includes not only the clay but also 20 sculpting tools and accessories to bring your ideas to life. Craft with confidence. Made from soft polymer clay, it's free from common allergens and adheres to strict safety standards. Shape and set your creations using your oven or a hairdryer for smaller pieces. Refer to the instructions for detailed guidance. Everything comes neatly packed in a durable storage box, making it an ideal gift for aspiring artists and young creators. What we like. Dive into creativity with 50 colors of polymer clay, complete with sculpting tools for detailed creations. If you or your child enjoys 3D sculpting and wants a versatile, non-sticky clay that can be oven-baked for durable results, this starter kit is ideal for artistic expression. What people say. This kit is great for kids who love to create and express themselves. It includes a variety of materials and tools that allow for different types of projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for children even without adult supervision. Number 1. Kid-made Modern Arts and Craft Kit. Discover a world of crafting possibilities with our comprehensive arts and crafts kit. It's packed with everything your child needs to bring their imagination to life. With over 2.2 pounds of supplies, including pipe cleaners, pom-poms, beads, and more, the creative potential is endless. Your child will be engaged for hours on end. This kit is more than just fun, it helps enhance fine motor skills and encourages exploration. Watch as they create sparkling bracelets and unique decorations. Looking for a gift that keeps on giving? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, promising hours of creative enjoyment. Everything is neatly organized in a sturdy box with a handle, making storage and portability a breeze. Take the fun wherever you go. Perfect for children aged 4 to 12, this kit offers a fantastic way for them to express themselves and develop their artistic talents. What we like. This is a massive supply box packed with over 2 pounds of diverse crafting materials. If you want a kit that offers endless possibilities for various projects and comes in a convenient carrying case for easy storage and portability, this is perfect for kids who love to explore and create. What people say. The kit includes a variety of high-quality materials that are easy for kids to use. The instructions are clear and step-by-step, making it simple for children to follow along and complete the projects. The finished crafts are beautiful and can be displayed or used, providing a sense of accomplishment for the child. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.